Hi, welcome to Adventures with Captain Ray Kelly, and we're off on another adventure. We're with Jeff Lorentz and his grandson Jake, and we got George back there. And we're going gator hunting and hog hunting again. There's no doubt we're going to have a great day, so come on along. So Jeff, tell us what we're going to be doing today.
Okay, we're going to go out and see if we can get a gator and a couple pigs this morning. It looks like it's going to be a nice day, a little overcast right now, but it should be a great day for hunting, and hope we have good luck.
Well, I can,
All right, so anyway, we're here at the 90 acres in Arcadia, Florida. And we'll be heading out in the little buggy here. We got Rick the Gator Man back there. And there's no doubt they're gonna get gators, they're gonna get hogs. It's gonna be a great day.
that wasn't the bottle.
Well, Randy had a couple of shots at a pig and got one. All right, so anyway, Randy got him. He got him on the move. That was a moving shot. Then it was George's turn.
Come this way, Bert. Could have went too far out.
George got one, but it ran into a pond that had big alligators.
Watch out for the alligator, Ray.
Right there. You gotta watch out for alligators.
Yeah, hey. That's usually there's a lot in there. They won't come out because they know you can't go in there.
Bruce was up next. So Bruce, what do you think?
Stalking some hogs here, Ray. Hopefully we get lucky and find one here in a few minutes.
Get him. Let's go run over there. Yeah,
You know we got him? You saw him?
But he ran. That's the problem. That's why I wanted you to see him with this.
Bruce, what do you think? What do you think?
My ears are still ringing, Ray. I can't think of anything. This thing sounds good.
And like I said, sometimes the hogs run right into the ponds.
Shot him on the other side.
Right in the back of the head.
Right there, right there, Jake.
We could see the hog laying there in the brush. Yeah, he's moving now. And please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel now. And if you hit the little bell, you'll be notified of our newly released videos.
He got him right in the head.
Oh my Lord.
There you go.
Hey Jake,
It's bolt action.
Jake, turn around. What do you think, man?
I can't hear. That's what I think.
I think you got a good shot
He
there.
couldn't move. He couldn't even move. Hey, he's still. Here he goes. Get him. You get him to cock it. You gotta cock it.
Oh yeah.
What do you got? Get him.
Trying to
Last
get
one more
away.
time.
Trying to get away.
Hit him.
I also might add this was Jake's first time ever firing a gun. Congratulations, Jake. Well, I tell you guys, I mean, that's Jake's first hog right there.
That thing's huge. Good
And
eye.
It's a huge, huge hog. What do you think, Sean? How big do you think that is?
He's probably 250 pounds.
250. All right. I tell you, way to go, Jacob. Oh yeah, look at him.
Look at the cutters on him.
What
Dude,
do
you
you
got him
think?
out. Yeah. He's still trying to hold it up.
So what do you think about your first hog?
It's big, yeah.
Way to go. Congratulations. And of course, Jake had a pose with his prize hog. This was a great hunt, and part 2 will show the awesome alligator that was caught. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to watch my weekly live stream on Mondays at 6 p.m. Eastern.